Hello everyone. Today we are going to know, does drinking water conduct electricity? If it does, then how is the conductivity? By a simple experiment we will be able to know not only the electrical conductivity of drinking water but also distilled water and salt water. For doing this experiment we need a 60 or 40 watt incandescent lamp with holder, 2 iron nails, a water containing pot, power extension board and required connecting wire, a wire stripper for removing wire insulation, drinking water, little bit common salt and distilled water. In this way, we can arrange our required tools and equipments. We are going to use these two nails as electrode. One nail should be connected with phase wire and other with a terminal of bulb. We are using this blue and green wire for that. Connect the wire tightly with nails to avoid loose connection. Now placing the bulb in holder properly. Next we connect other terminal of the bulb with the supply neutral wire. We should also use insulation tape for safety measure. We should use wire stripper for making termination and make proper joint of these two wires. Okay, here the bulb, water container, extension board and 2-pin plug with connecting wire. Therefore, we are going to place these two electrodes in the water container so that there should be sufficient gap between them. Otherwise, the experiment not be accurate. Well, the arrangement is almost done. Now we can going to start. At first we use distilled water. Water formed by 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecules of oxygen together. Distilled water is pure water because there is no impurities, dissolved minerals present in it. Generally it is used in laboratory, car or inverter batteries. Rainwater may considered as distilled water, but not always because of acid rain. It may not so pure always. Now we are pouring distilled water slowly into the water container. Water level should be so high that 2 nails submerged in it properly. Make sure the positions of the nails. Yes, it's totally submerged in the water. We will give power supply with this 2-pin plug. After switching on, current should flow in the blue wire and then one electrode, and if possible after conduction between water, circuit will complete by these 2 iron nails which is connected with the white colored neutral wire to the supply. After switch on, we can see that there is no light emitting on the bulb. That means distilled water does not conduct electricity. For connection surety, we are trying to connect these 2 electrodes manually. Yes, the bulb glows. The circuit is working. But when we maintain the gap, current does not conduct into the distilled water. It's natural because there is no impurity and minerals present in it to make water conductive. Now we are going to use drinking water. Empty the container and now pouring some drinking water in it. Make sure that 2 electrodes should be submerged into the water. After switch on, we can see that bulb is emitting light, but brightness is very less. Well, we understand that drinking water can conduct electricity, but partially. In fact, some impurities or minerals like iron, zinc, calcium, magnesium, etc. present in drinking water, which is actually essential for our health. These minerals make the water poor conductor of electricity. Here we may notice another interesting thing in it. We can see some air bubbles are coming out from both electrodes. It's happening electrolysis of water as well. Water molecules break, thus hydrogen and oxygen are coming out from water like air bubble. Now we will use salt water or saline water. Pouring some common salt into the drinking water which was present previously. After that, stir the water to make perfect solution for better conductivity. Well, we can see the shining light bulb after switch on. Clearly reflects that salt water can conduct electricity by much more efficiently. Salt or sodium chloride, here this sodium ions present in water make the solution good conductor of electricity. Therefore, by this simple experiment, we can understand that salt water is good conductor and drinking water is poor conductor of electricity. On the other hand, distilled water has no electrical conductivity. Thank you.